Sport brings Australians together, and some of the most visible brands in Australian sport have come together with Curtin University. Through these partnerships, Curtin students and researchers are engaging in real-life projects in disciplines such as exercise science, sports psychology and sports medicine, to collaborating on media and marketing projects. Curtin is named after a great Australian leader and has progressed more rapidly in major international rankings than any other Australian institution in recent years. And this is reflected in leadership at an everyday level, with more than 15,000 student engagements in leadership activities across numerous locations, both local and international. Curtin continues to invest in developing and nurturing future leaders and understands how crucial this is in sport, with a commitment to supporting broader participation in games that are part of the national psyche. Through Curtin's Elite Athletes program, those at the highest level in their sport are supported in balancing study with training, leadership, collaboration and innovation in sport. Curtin shares the dedication and passion of sporting partners and athletes striving for excellence in Australian sport.